Hi everyone, it's Matt, Teen Librarian at the Kinderhook Memorial Library, and I've got a special video for you today. I know that most of you haven't been able to come into the library for the past couple of months due to the coronavirus, but we've still been ordering books, and so today I thought I would share with you a special unboxing video. We just got a new box of YA books in, and I'm excited to see what mysteries are contained inside. So there was the unpacking. I gotta say, first things first, I know that you're not supposed to judge a book by its cover, but that's what they said, I think back in the day when all the book covers were like brown and leather and kind of gross looking. Nowadays, I think you can totally legitimately judge a book by its cover, and we have some really cool ones. So I just wanted to showcase those first. Firstly, A Wicked Magic looks amazing. I don't really know what it's about yet, but that cover itself, I would pick this up without knowing and just borrow it myself. Also, we have two golden covers, The Dark Tide by Alicia Jasinska. Also, I love the cover of this one, looks amazing, and I would totally just pick this up. And A Sky Painted Gold by Laura Wood. Again, beautiful design, intriguing. I would definitely want to see what this one was about personally. Let's move on. So from what I could tell, we have 4 debut novels here, which means that they were the author's first novel that they've written. The first is The Light at the Bottom of the World by London Shaw, Ghostwood Song by Erica Waters. We also have Wicked Magic by Sasha Lawrence and The Dark Tide by Alicia Jasinska, the two that I like the covers of. Debut novels are really great because you can tell that the author really put a lot of work into them. Our director always says that this is the book that the author has wanted to write in the time that they wanted to become an author. So this is the one they put all their energy in, all their focus, and so you can usually get a really good tell from the author based on their debut novel. So if you're going to check out something, if you're looking for a new author that you've never read before, these 4 look really promising, and they seem really interesting as well. So we obviously don't have time to go over every single book that we ordered today, but let me just go through an overview of some of the other ones that we have. So we've got a couple of these sort of realistic fiction. They seem like they're going to be a little bit bittersweet. A couple of quick reads too, so if you're looking for a really nice read that won't take that long, if you're a slow reader like I am, you might want to check out some of these, but they seem really interesting. We also have some sci-fi fantasy, actually I think it's more sci-fi than fantasy this time, which is surprising. And to wrap it up, we have these 2 mysteries, it looks like, maybe a little romance there too, that seem to both deal with sort of glitzy, glamorous lifestyles and the dark secrets that they contain. So that's going to wrap up this unboxing video. I hope you enjoyed what you saw. I hope that you saw some books that intrigue you, that you're interested in reading. If you'd like to place a request on any of these books, visit our library at our library's website at kinderhooklibrary.org, and you can request any of them and we will have them available for curbside pickup. I'll have a new video out in a couple of weeks where I will do some book talks and we'll chat about some of the different genres that we have in our YA collection. I think the first one we're going to do is going to be mystery novels. So if you're interested, check back on our YouTube channel or follow us on Facebook, and we'll see you then.